The stairs is going really well. The other night I did this. You can do that to the other side. And I could start that right now, but I thought I'm going to start something else. And that is this electrical box right here. What it is, it's for the range. So we have the incoming power, which is live right now. I didn't turn it off yet. And then we have two going out. And the reason is because we have a cooktop and then we have an oven separate. And if we turn this on, well, yeah, we do have energy. And we do have power. So what I'm going to do is going to pull the fuses and then come back and check it, and everything should be off. So I do not like it there. Do not. Regardless of any other rules, it's just not a good place for it in my opinion. So the only thing I can think to do, disconnect everything, pull the feed. I have no reason to switch the box at this point in time. Now maybe I will later, but for right now the box is fine. It's not something we use a lot anyhow, but we have no reason. It's 4 fuses. So what I could do is pull the feed. I'm not sure if I'll pull them, or maybe I can just turn it and put it on the other side of the floor joist. And then reconnect this, but I'm gonna have to I'll have to get one of these here, and then get another one, and then put one on the other side, because once I flip it, it'll go into the opposite side. So I'm not sure what I'm going to run into, but we can always change our mind as we go, regardless of moving it. That I am sure of. Okay, so aesthetics, or whatever you want to call it. I don't like it there, so I'm moving it. And later on I could change it, but I don't know if there's really a good reason to. I suppose I can get a different box with breakers, but again, I have no real reason to. It's not really, as far as I know, a safety issue. I mean, breakers versus fuses. To me, it's kind of a convenience thing. But I do like the breakers, no question. I tend to want to like them much better. Okay, that's the plan. Let's start. Get the energy off.